Alright, so we just left the house and we're gonna make some tacos tomorrow. David has this whole recipe and we weren't sure if we could get everything at like a normal grocery store, so we're going to this little Mexican food market that my neighbor told me has like some really good stuff. So we're gonna go try that out. Are you excited?
Yeah, I've never been in here before.
Yeah, I love going to like different type of food markets just because I love food and I love cooking, and I think it's just fun to walk around and see a bunch of different stuff. So yeah. For chili. Is that what red peppers comes out of? You could get two, yeah, or just get a big one.
Do you want the white or the yellow?
I guess they're both port, huh?
Yeah.
Whatever works then.
I feel like the yellow.
We don't need any for tomorrow.
No.
Okay, so we just got back from the market, which was super cute. We got basically everything we needed, and then we saw these things.
So this is the salsa verde, and this is the salsa roja. So we got one of a little one of each, and then some like homemade chips,
which look so good.
And we're excited. We got to give them a try in the car before we go
like
home.
We can't even wait till we get home. And I'm also like, what if they're so good, and then we get all the way home and realize we need to like
it smells so good.
Get a bigger size. All right, you can go first.
Pretty spicy. It's really good though. These chips are incredible.
Yeah, I love
They're
those
like
chips.
Crunchy and salty.
Yum. Okay, I like how spicy that is. And this is the salsa verde.
They're both really good.
Okay. I could eat more, but there's that.
We'll definitely go back. I bet their guac is so good.
Oh yeah, I bet like everything there is so good. We're back home now, which that was kind of a fail. So for the photos, I kind of want us in like, I don't know, like kind of fall clothes, not summer. And right now there's just literally all like short sleeve. I want David maybe in like a flannel or something. And I just don't feel like those are in stores right now. So I think we might go shopping in his closet, his favorite thing. And then if we don't have anything, then I might have to go again tomorrow. But when I got home, I did have a few packages, which I was hopeful for. First thing is this wrapping paper that I ordered. I had it in my shopping cart and I forgot to take it out. It's cute, but I didn't know I was gonna buy that. All this stuff is from H&M, by the way. I bought this graphic tee. I feel like their graphic tees are pretty cute and pretty inexpensive. So I thought this was cute, pretty neutral. It looks pretty big, but that's okay. And then my sister-in-law actually had this dress on the last time I saw her, and it was super pretty, so I was like, I feel like I could possibly wear this for the photos. So I bought the same dress, and it's probably hard to show. I'll maybe do a little try-on later today if I get all the things in the mail to see which I should wear, but it's just this like super long, like flowy dress, which I like the colors of this. So that's what I got at H&M. Then I also got a Newly box, which is always an exciting day. I did order a couple things to possibly wear for the shoot, so I think this is one of them. Okay, this could be pretty. So it's just this like really long, plain like white dress, which could be pretty. I really want to wear a hat, so I think, okay, that could be cute, cool. And then I got this dress, which was totally like one of those, I'm not sure if I'm gonna like it, but it looked really pretty on the model. So I just thought I would get it and see. Okay, it's definitely cool and a lot dressier than I was gonna go. I was gonna go like super casual, but it is kind of cool. It's like, I don't know if you can see the like, that's kind of like metallic-y. I don't know. I'll have to try it on and see if it looks really fancy. I don't feel like David really has something that would go with that, so I might skip that. Okay, the rest are just shorter dresses that I can kind of wear like every day. So I'm gonna go and try on all these longer dresses and pray that one of them works, because like I said, super last minute and whatever. Let's go try them on. Okay, so I tried on the other dresses and I feel like this is the one that I'm gonna go with. It's kind of, you know, just more casual and more the vibe I was going for. So this is the one from H&M, which I think is so cute. And then I'm borrowing this hat from my sister-in-law. It's a Lack of Colors hat. I think it's super cute. So yeah, I think this is what I'm gonna wear. I'll obviously try on the other dress if it comes in time, but now we just gotta find something for David. But cool. So that is probably what I'm gonna wear, unless the thing that comes in the mail works out and I like it better, or I go shopping again, who knows. But I do feel better that I have at least something that I can wear. So now we just gotta find something for David, but he's a lot easier than I am, I feel like. So yeah, I think now I'm gonna do a little prep for a DIY project that actually went live on Tuesday, so if you guys didn't see that, go watch it. But I'm just gonna do a little bit of prep today so that my filming goes a little bit faster and smoother tomorrow, because DIY projects can literally take up to like 5 hours to film. Like my tie-dye project that I just posted, I think took me over 5 hours just to film, because obviously like when you're doing it like in real time, like you need to like wait for things to dry and process and all this stuff. So I have some time today, so I thought I would maybe like prep a little bit to eliminate any like long hours tomorrow. So I think that's what I'm gonna do now. I won't bore you guys with this, because if you watch my video on Tuesday, you probably heard all about this, but basically you go out and buy vases from thrift stores, and then you mix baking soda, or I think you can do baking powder as well, with just acrylic paint, and then you kind of like upcycle these vases. So when I went out, I just kind of looked for like cool shaped things. So I'm gonna paint a couple of these today, just so that in my video I don't have to paint like all of them, because that obviously would take a while. So I'll leave a couple to paint for the video to like do the actual project, but I think I'm gonna paint a couple of them right now just to kind of get a head start, like I said. So yeah. Okay, that took a little longer than I thought it was going to, but I think they're turning out so cool. I feel like with this texture, they really do look like ceramic pieces. I feel like with some like cool grass or something out of this one, it's gonna look so cool on my table. Very excited about that. I think this one I might actually use for like citrus, or like, yeah, like, I don't know, limes and stuff like that. I think it's just kind of a cool shape, and I'll put it in my kitchen. And then those two I'm gonna paint in the video to kind of show like how I did this. But glad that I did these three today, because this alone, like with drying in between, probably took me like 3 hours. So happy that I got that done. So yeah, that felt really good to get done, and now I'm just waiting for David to finish working out, and then we're gonna start making dinner. It's like 7:15. David and I are gonna attempt to make homemade jalapeno poppers, which we've never made before, but I feel like hopefully we can figure it out. Those are like one of my favorite apps at a restaurant. And then he's gonna make his famous wings that I also love. So that's what we're gonna do for dinner. And I think we're gonna start Yellowstone, which I'm not a huge TV watcher or like show watcher. I don't know, I just like, I don't know, I don't really love to watch TV that much, but he's been really wanting to like start a series together, and we've heard really good things about this. So if you guys have watched Yellowstone, do you like it? Will I like it? I don't really know. I'm sure he'll love it. Like, he has watched like so many different types of shows, but I'm gonna give it a try. So let me know if you guys watch it, if you like it. Hopefully by the time this goes up, we've watched at least a couple episodes. But yeah, I think that's the rest of our plans for Saturday. And then yeah, tomorrow's Sunday, but I have Monday off, so I just feel like my whole weekend is like so much longer. So love that for me. Good morning, guys. It is Sunday morning and I am currently getting ready for the day. But this morning we made breakfast, went for a bike ride to the grocery store because we're having David's parents over for a later lunch, like early dinner, and we just needed a couple things, so we went for a bike ride. And yeah, now I'm just getting ready. I'm going to try to film a video quickly before they get here. When you're doing a DIY video though, like I said, quickly isn't really like a thing. It takes forever. So I'm quickly trying to get ready so that I have a little bit more time to film that. But yeah, the poppers and wings turned out so good last night. We didn't end up watching Yellowstone. It just got like later, and we knew, I feel like when you're starting a new series, you want to be able to watch like a couple episodes right away just to kind of see if you do like it, and it just got later, and yeah, we didn't end up starting it, but hopefully in the next, like today or tomorrow, we'll start it. Like I said, a little skeptical about it, but it is fun to have a show to watch together. So yeah, that's kind of what our Sunday's like. We cleaned this morning, which felt good. And now, just getting ready.
Dreams can last forever, 'cause I still dream of you. And waking up together is like heaven made for two. The guys got cash for days. I don't really care.
Okay, just wrapped filming, which went a lot faster than I thought it was going to, so that's good. We have a few minutes before David's parents get here, so I think I'm gonna pre-make this little appetizer that I was gonna do. My grandma made it the last time we were with them, and it was just refried beans, and then you do like mozzarella on top and hot sauce, and then you bake it, and you just eat it with like tortilla chips. Really simple, but it was so good. So we're having tacos tonight. David's actually been making this since like 8 in the morning. So it's just like, I don't know, some sort of like spicy beef taco that we're gonna have. So I thought that little like bean appetizer would be good with that. Okay, so these are the beans that we got at the market yesterday. My grandma, I think, homemade hers, but I don't do that, so we're gonna use those. And then I'm gonna top it with this mozzarella cheese. I've been really integrating my own cheese recently, but this cheese is actually really good. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of this hot sauce in between the beans and the cheese. It is a lot later now, and David's parents left like 2 hours ago, and then we just kind of chilled for a little bit. Those tacos that I think you guys probably saw a little bit of were next level. Like, if you guys like tacos, you need to try this recipe. I'll put it in the description. It does, like, I mean, it was probably like the best tacos I've ever had, and like beat like restaurant tacos. It's so good. They are time consuming, so like a perfect thing for like a weekend if you're just like at home, but yeah, they were amazing. And now I am gonna paint my nails. I'm gonna use just the color Bubble Bath, which is a very like, I don't know, pretty pink, like neutral color. Pretty sure everybody's used Bubble Bath before. So I'm gonna paint my nails, and then I have to run down to grab the dress that I ordered at my cousin's house. We like placed an order together, so I have to go grab that, and then that's really all for the night. It's only 6:30, so it kind of feels good to just be like chill. The house is clean. I just feel like there's no better feeling than a Sunday night when your house is clean and you're just like kind of like done for the weekend. But yeah, I'm gonna paint my nails, and then we'll check in when I get the dress and we'll try it on and see if I like it better than the other one for the photo shoot tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday morning and I just got ready for work. Made a really quick smoothie. For some reason this sounded so good this morning. I feel like because it's been so hot out, I just wanted something like really cold this morning. I didn't even want coffee, so I made a little smoothie, and now I'm gonna head to work. Yesterday we had our little photo shoot, which I think turned out so well. I'm excited to see everything when it's done, but yeah, it's Tuesday, so I'm gonna head to work and I'll check in with you guys after. I didn't actually leave for lunch today, so I just got home from work and I got an Amazon package. This probably is the weirdest thing I've ever bought online. I can't think of anything weirder. Yeah, definitely one of the weirder things, but I'm pretty sure my friend has one of these, and then a blogger that I follow also talked about it, and it is a massager. So you plug it into the wall and then it goes around your shoulders, and I feel like because I sit on a computer all day long basically, like my upper shoulders hurt super bad, so I purchased one. We're gonna try it out. I didn't even tell David I was doing this. I just like was laying in bed one night and just purchased it, so let's try this out. So you put it around your back like this. Yeah, this is definitely the weirdest thing I've ever bought. Okay, and then you put your arms in here and you just sit. Okay, so excited. Oh, right here, my hand.
Oh.
Wait, there's other levels, buttons. Where are they?
Up here.
What are they?
Like the power and stuff, ready?
Not really. Okay. Oh my god, I have chills.
And then there's heat on it, I think.
There's heat?
Does it have the little manual?
Oh my god. You guys, this feels so good. I literally have chills all down my body.
What a multi-purpose
You're gonna love
tool.
this thing, even though you're making fun of it. You're gonna love it. I know you are.
Alright, so the buttons are
Whoa.
power. You can change the direction of the massage. Let's hit this
Okay.
one.
Wow, it actually like, it doesn't feel like,
And then the heat. I can't tell if it's on.
I don't want the heat.
And then massage speed, medium, high, low.
What I was trying to say is it doesn't like feel super good, like it actually feels like it's doing something, which is good. Do you want to try?
Yeah.
You know you want to. You're gonna love this more than I am, and you're giving me so much shit for ordering it. I mean, it is ridiculous looking. Okay.
Alright, that feels pretty good.
It feels so good,
Yeah,
doesn't
it's like
it?
right on my neck. I like how it supports your arms. You can just hang here.